All right, good day everyone, and thanks for joining us here in the charts. That is the Market Beast Edition. Yes, your fellow competitor speaking. As the title suggests, I have an opportunity that I would like to present to you all, and this will not be for the short-term participants. It's for the long-term investors. We're talking a 365-day minimum hold or higher on this asset. You may see it in the thumbnail, but I'll just go over a few levels with you guys and let you know if I'm invested, and we'll just make it a short video, and yeah, we'll do that. So let's get into it, guys. Welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we only explore price action. Thanks for sticking around, our loyal subscribers. Let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here, shall we? So today is June the 1st, 2026, and the current price of Clorox is $89.70, slightly negative 0.3% for the day. Okay. Ticker is going to be CLX. All right, guys. So there's not really much to show on this chart. Hopefully, you guys are doing wonderful. Hopefully, we're leaving links to our last video post about Clorox, as we were actually more on the bearish side for Clorox, anticipating a price target which is and has exceeded $90. So just slightly. So now we're here again, once again, to present to you guys an opportunity to the upside. So we think that Clorox is a buy again for the next 365 days. I don't really have a stop out level. I do have a level where if it goes lower then we'll post another video, but other than that, I'm only seeing momentum to the upside. Please kindly enjoy or ignore any sounds in the background. Maybe you'll hear some birds and some kids screaming. Yeah, just ignore or enjoy. Thank you. So yeah, the $84 level, which I'll go ahead and put an alert there. As long as Clorox is above around like $85, $84-ish, there's only two directions that I'm anticipating, which is consolidating, which will be to the sideways, right? The normal consolidating that we're familiar with if you've been around for some time, or to the upside. All right, I'm not really sure how long it will take for this play to actually play out. You have the, I guess, make another video post level, which is around 84 to 85, and the next level to accomplish that would actually help my thesis would be the, let's see, $97-ish level. So if we see something like some sort of consolidating, I'm not sure how this is going to play out, guys. I just know right now we are invested. So let's just go ahead and get that question answered if anyone's wondering. Yes, we're invested. We recently invested, and it has gone back down to the levels where we've invested. So, which is why we're posting a video now to let everyone know, listen, we're going to be buying more at this level right now today, right? Let's see, I think it's like $89-ish. Yeah, so we're interested at these levels. We're going to continue to add to our positions, anticipating a move higher. So that one level that we just explained, the $97 level, as long as we can get kind of break above and stay above that level and consolidate, oh man, it's going to be really nice. Very minimum price target would be the $100 is good, but I'm going to say the $144 level. All right, I don't really know how long it would take for it to reach this level. This has been on the chart for some time. We were looking to play it to the downside. We did play it to the downside, but unfortunately our $90 contracts expired worthless because it didn't go down fast enough. So yeah, but nevertheless, the price target to the upside, we're seeing $144. Guys, please don't buy this stock saying that I said it's going to go up and it's guaranteed. This is all for your sim account, so please don't take it as financial advice. All right, so that's pretty much all I have. I gave you the price level where we'll make another video, $84, $85. Okay, the price level what it needs to break above and stay above in order for any of this to be possible, because we're vulnerable to a new low if it moves lower, as it has been moving lower ever since, ever since the highs around July 2020, when it reached about like $236. It's pretty much been going down. So it's still in a down trending gestures going on in the Clorox market. So if I'm incorrect about it going up, that's actually normal, because it's ever since 2000-ish, right? 2020 July, it reached the top, and from there it has been walking down the stairs. So if it moves lower, that's normal, that's natural, and also normal and natural for me to be incorrect about it or be a little bit too early. I think if we're a little bit too early, that's fine. But I've been, looking at this for some time, and I think we're close to, or we've reached that last lowest point where it'll start consolidating and moving higher. All right. I don't want this to be a long, drawn out video, but you have the levels, you have the price target, and I didn't give you a time frame. Not really good with this, but of course, start with 3 weeks. But as far as for it to accomplish the $144 level, which is about let's see, nothing's rehearsed, guys. Thanks for your patience. It's about a 61% increase to the upside from the current levels, and I would say that could take towards the end of this year, mid next year. That would be my conservative guesstimation, and that's all under the assumption that it does not make a new low from the recent low, which is at about $84. So hopefully that's everything summarized within the next before the end of this year to the middle of next year, where we could see a $144 Clorox, right? And that's assuming that it does not make a new low lower than $84. And of course, we would love, it'll be more practical for Clorox to break above and stay above $97 and consolidate to make this all, to make me feel more confident or comfortable with my positions, right? My active positions, that we could see $144 here eventually. Okay. So that's all I have for you, information I have for you, wonderful folks. That's how we'll close out the video, and hopefully you enjoyed it. And if that's it. So if you don't mind doing me a huge favor before you go by simply leaving an appropriate thumb, I'd appreciate it on the video if you enjoyed the content, and leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video on the channel. Thank you for your continued ears and support. If you guys are new, we also explore the alternative market from time to time, Bitcoin, so you can kind of join us here on this interesting journey, and we'll send that out to you momentarily. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you all for your time. Remember to always have a strategy before you enter the market, and keep that positive energy flowing. And we'll talk soon, and bye for now, guys and gals.